Insecurity in Igbo land is getting out of hands. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're joining us from. I'm here to send this message to Igbos in diasporas in Nigeria all over the whole world, the Igbo leaders, and also to President Ahmed Bola Tinubu. You should consider Igbo land as one of the pioneers of this country. Why does he have to allow the killing and everything? This is a hard time. They should free Mazi Nnamdi to end this insecurity in Igbo land. Do you remember that many years ago I told you people, if Mazi Nnamdi is not out, many things will be happening. Since then, we have lost millions of souls in Igbo land. See, Lagos is peaceful. Abuja is peaceful. Anambra is on fire. Imo State is on fire. Abia State is on fire. Enugu State is on fire. Ebony State is on fire. The killings and insecurity every day. Delta State is even on fire. Why can't we do the needful? Because your state is peaceful. That is why I don't care about other people. Michael Jackson sing a song, say they don't care about us. So, Mr. President Ahmed Tinubu, please, release Mazi Nnamdi. It will reduce 90% of insecurity in Igbo land. Okay, let me play this video now. These boys, they hold one politician now, they're about to kill him. They say 4 days. My name is Prophet David Yahweh, Dr. Aliza Tukadebe, the spiritual word of the Most High. My duty is to expose evil and to speak the mouthpiece of God to save my people. I'm not on Facebook to make money. I am not a content creator. I'm here to speak on my God. Are we not saying that we don't know what is happening in Igbo land now? As everybody in Nigeria didn't see the killings every day. Cars are burning down, houses are burning down, many things are happening. Igbos are becoming more poor and disaster. This is war we're fighting. But you look like it's not war. Can't people that die every day? Even in the Biafran war, they not record such people. It's indirectly, all our Igbo people are being wasted. You're burning your house, you're burning government house, you're burning everywhere, you're burning your cars. Indirectly, Fulani is killing Igbo. Igbos are killing Igbo. Many people are killing Igbo. Why? This is war we're fighting, but it looks like it's not war. Many people travel abroad, make money, they come back to their hometown, they kill them. Many people take their investment home, they kill them. All the big men now that used to come back in Owerri, I remember those days, we used to travel from Lagos to Owerri to go and have fun. We used to travel from Lagos to Anambra State to go and have fun. We used to travel from Lagos State just to go to weekend Enugu to go and have fun. How many billionaires are doing that now? How many millionaires are traveling from Lagos, Abuja, and social places to, even coming from abroad to their home? They can't. Most of the big men, their house have turned to a barber also. But let me play this video before I proceed. Please help me to share this telecast. This video is going to Hanes and Igbo, all the Igbo leaders, all the Igbo governors. Everybody should wake up. You only after your governance and you're having security. What about Ndi Nachi? You are secure. Government house is secure. You're moving with DSS, army, and soldier. What about the people that you people are ruling? They are killing every day. What is the fate of the common man? What is the fate of Ndono Nachi? Everybody's running away. Or if you want to turn Biafran land, Igbo land to become a desert. Many people have turned to a desert. If you go to Omoaka, you go to Sabri, you go to Okigwe, all those areas have turned to desert. If you go to Amasi now, many people are scared because of kidnapping, flying, all those things. Everything happened in Igbo land. And we say we don't know what to do. If all the Eastern governors come together and unite to go to Abuja and demand for the release of Mazi Nnamdi, that is why this is what leads to insecurity. I believe all those things we, even if not stop 100%, it will reduce to 90%. I would like you to share this video. This morning, I watched some videos which I can't pray. I was just crying. Watch.
I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna like one work. I'm gonna hoya I have one girl. Ngozi Ogu. Onye ihite ihuba okigwe. Akwano na aga kwafuga. In 4 days, I will not be alive. And muna kwafu ha. Awukwa so na ndi anwu ahen. Ndi odo kwa ndi gabakwukwele ahen ozo. Adekwa okwu ihe gara otu nsi gwa gaga ka ha ga-esi were gakwa. Ayo kwa me adeka ayo. Ngozi Ogu ahụ akwụkwọ ahụ ọzọ. Unu ma awụ unu. Betren na unu. Unu mee ya. Ewere nwe udo na Okigwe. Ọkwa m na otu olu ma buko. Ewere kama asụ Igbo. Ya buko ọdụ buko ndụ. Onye m na-ekwu. Ihe m naanị kọmekwu unu mee ya bụ olulu abalị anọ. Ka ewere na m ga-alụlụ ụlọ. Asị onye dị ndụ na-awụ onye nwụrụ anwụ.
In 4 days.
Biko ndị ube. Ụna ahụ ahịa. Ụna ahụ anọ nyowo. More for Jaffa Veteran Army. I need to go ahead and make kidnapper. But all the more, kind. Now I don't know what and I'm going to tell you politician. I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna like one on what I'm gonna and on the White House, the black and the White House. You know what? Not from that to him, you know, 4 days there, 4 days from that to Tuesday. After you make it 4 days. Muna couple the black one in worker, we try on the theater and one also. Guess what we are? I don't know good ham. I bet I'm going to do you like I'm the one in work. I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna like it. I don't get with them. I don't get with them. On you. On you. I'm with you. I'm not gonna new moon. When you're on your lap. Oh, but I tell you, also, Akuna, a metal meeting, Bakaka, Lano, with India, Nigeria tourists, the Bubagula, Gaga, a partner, Gentle, you got a tobia, where Okigwe, number 1, Okigwe, when I get near boys, Gama, or no, or no, Okigwe, or no, Okigwe, what I do not. Oda bawa men oda da hanwa wanu no waka na kopunja he na him ni du no naka wo ho ni du naka omo no like wanu no waka ndi black no na ni na watch from
you could share the characters and drop your comment. Tag all the governors.
Aga sa ni ko ha nyenta dolo ngalile ai ko salama ni aga mi kelo dun mana tupo ya.
Let us serve this our brother. I pray that Almighty God Elohim Chukwokuke has opted this our brother from Okigwe. You know, he's a politician. According to him, he said they poisoned the gentle Yahoo, but I'm not here because of gentle. I'm here too because of what is happening in Igbo land. Somebody said, my prophet, most of these guys are not fighting for Mazi Nnamdi. They are criminals and they, yes, we know. That's what we're saying now. But they hide under the platform they are fighting for Biafra, doing evil. So if you can release Mazi Nnamdi, it will give us 100% clear view of what is happening. So if anybody is doing something now, he will say, we are the Liberation Army, we are the Liberation Army, we are the Liberation Army. Using the name of Mazi Nnamdi to do evil. But if Mazi Nnamdi now, my battery is about to go. If Mazi Nnamdi is out now, you find out that everybody will run away because they will not use that name again to hide. Do you understand? So Mazi Nnamdi name has become the name, and the Biafra has become the name that even criminal everybody is using under the platform to do evil. You see the problem. So automatically, if Mazi Nnamdi is released, 90% of this thing that's happening will stop because everybody will bowl a leg. Let me pray one video again.
Professor Charles Chokoma Suru. Lawan Waka, and I had I'm with the one you're Kisha.
Let me play one video again for you. This one at the house.
They would hand them and them rule mom.
They scatter their mother house, born everywhere. That's one video I'm supposed to put. You see the video, huh?
They would hand them and them rule mom. They would. Rule mom. The question.
That's why they kill a lot of people. So I can't play that one here.
The question here, rule mom. The question. Rule mom.
Their mother house, they use gun and scatter everywhere. Now, many people does not have home. The little one we have, we are destroying it day by day. We are looking for money to buy car. The little one we have, we are burning it down. Even though in America they are burning just for 3, 4, 5 years. Do you know how many houses that be demolished by gun? Just is it because it's not common? If I open my WhatsApp, the kind of video the people are sending me, I can't bring it here. Because if I bring it to Facebook, it just flag me again. I may not even come live. Please help me to share this telecast and the tag on Igbo, all the Igbo leaders, all the Igbo governors. So Anambra State Governor, Imo State, Abia State, Enugu State, Ebonyi State. Is it when everybody in your state finish or run away, you will not do the needful? The reason why you are in that state, you're the chief commander and the security. So you still have the authority to talk to your president and you to listen. Except the president does not want to do the right thing. Because if all of you unite together and meet and say, okay, there is Mazi Nnamdi, it will end those insecurity. I believe as a good president, he should be able to do the right thing and save more so. Keeping one person in detention is taking millions of lives. Does it worth it? It doesn't worth it. Now, kidnapper will do anything. They will say Mazi Nnamdi. Anambra will do anything. They will call Mazi Nnamdi. They will say we are Biafran. But when all those things are being resolved now, we know who is Biafran and what is happening. We all know that most of 80% of these people claiming we are fighting for Biafra, they are all criminals. So please share this telecast and God bless you. My prayer for you that anywhere you're watching from, anywhere you are, that Almighty God will protect you and protect your family home. You will not lose your loved one. You will not lose your family. Because many of you have lost your blood, America, different countries, but you still have your mother at home. You see what that guy is crying for? See what they do to my mother's house. Probably maybe it's not around. They came, they shoot everywhere. They burn one of the house. You know, this morning I saw this thing, I'm just crying. Say, oh God, who is doing this to us? This is getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand. This is the first thing we need to do. Forget about development. If we cannot tackle the security, this insecurity, there's nothing you are doing, because after building whatever you're building, people come there, maybe they will kidnap and kill. That's why even if you're building a hotel, you're building whatever any investment you're doing in Igbo land, if this insecurity are not being taken care of, you end up becoming a poor man. God bless you. My name is Prophet David Yawachukadibia, who God sent to save Igbo from powers of darkness and evil. We believe in spiritual and physical. This is physical, where the governors will do their own work. My own work is to fight demons and to expose evil and to give you the danger that is coming. Because more will still go if the things are not being, this case are not being handled. Many people will die. This is coming to December. It's not my prayer, but I saw it coming. So just please, let all of us wake up, use your social media platform to be talking to the governors, president, make one video, even if it's one in a month, a week, it will help. God bless you. Shalom. As now, I come on about there's no how all the Igbo will rise with one voice. President Ahmed Tinubu will not listen to us. God bless you.